Hi everyone, welcome to my first voiceover video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Alright, so to get started, we're going to do a thin layer of bubble bath. This is going to act as a wet layer, so it's easier to blend whatever you put over it. After this, you're going to do a full 30-second cure, and then we're going to get started on the blending part. I'm going to be linking everything down below. Okay, so now we're taking bubble bath again, but we're just going a little farther than halfway down the nail. And then we're gonna take gel bottle Diana and just put it along the tips of the nail. Don't worry too much about this part. We're just doing the first layer. So you still wanna blend it out. I'm using my blending brush, which will also be linked. After you're satisfied with the blending, you're gonna do a full 30-second cure. And then we're gonna go in again with bubble bath. I put too much here, so I'm just taking some off. And then we're gonna go in with gel bottle Diana again and making sure to just put it at the tips. This was my mistake. I was using a white that was too pigmented. So this polish is about a sheer buildable white, which is pretty ideal, I think, for this French fade that we're trying to do. Okay, so we're making our way from the white into the pink, just going side to side. Take your time, make sure everything is blended, make sure you're wiping your brush every time you go back into the white and upwards. Remember, take your time. And that little lump over there, I'm just gonna fix that really quick. Top coat does fix most imperfections. So I'm just gonna fix that little bump that's over there. Top coat does smooth out the nail a bit, but that is a bit too much of a bump. Then once you're happy, you do the full 30-second cure, and you can top coat if that's the look you're going for. I wanted to do something more fun for Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna be doing some little hearts. I'm using Audrey from Gel Bottle, which is a nice light pink, and this Red Hot Rio from OPI. I'm gonna go in with the red first, and I'm gonna make an outline of the heart and just kind of start small because you gotta keep fixing it until you like the shape. So I start small and then I just kind of keep going outward from there until I'm satisfied with the shape, making sure it's symmetrical and that it looks cute. Once I'm happy with the shape of it, I take more red and then I start filling in the inside, making it more opaque, making sure it's nice bright red, full coverage, and evenly distributed. So I'm gonna do a 10-second flash cure. My lamp does have a 10-second button, so that's nice. Then make sure you clean your brush, especially when using pigmented colors like red. Now I'm gonna be going in with my light pink. And again, I'm just gonna do the outline. Kind of start small and then work your way out until you're satisfied with that, and then you can go back in and even out the gel polish so it's nice and even and pigmented. After you're satisfied with how both colors turned out, you're gonna do a full 30-second cure before we go in with top coat. I'm using Empower from Luminary, and I'm making a thick layer just to make sure everything's nice and even from the blending. Cure that full 30 seconds and we're all done. Thanks for watching.